Place your knees against the wall for support and lie flat. Push through your arms and lift your upper back. This opens the hip flexors, abs, and upper chest while activating the deep spinal muscles. Gently turning your head can also release neck tension and help nerves and blood vessels move more freely. If you push one leg behind and rotate it to the ground, place the other leg over it, and now as you rotate torso to the ground, you lengthen the lower back, releasing pressure and building mobility. Now if you push gently upward with your torso, the whole deep back muscles activate, creating support for spine. If you push your legs up the wall and bring your hips close, lie flat on your back and place your hands behind your head. Now press into a wall-supported bridge. Your abs stabilize while the psoas and deep hip flexors lengthen. The deep spinal muscles activate as the thoracic spine opens, restoring extension through the hips and spine and release. If you get in this position and twist left and right, you'll stretch the deep back muscles and lower back, while also lengthening the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. This helps release built-up back tension, reduce stiffness, and relax irritated nerves through the whole posterior chain. When you stay tall on your knees, lift the chest and place the hands behind the head. Abs, chest, and front shoulders lengthen, but as you round forward, you stretch the muscles between the shoulder blades and the back of the neck. If you put your knees close to the wall, drive your hips forward until they touch it and grab your ankles. As you reach back, the psoas, quads, and hip flexors lengthen. Glutes activate to stabilize the pelvis, allowing lumbar spine to extend and control. Start in a wide stance with both hands on the floor, then open up and rotate left and right. This stretches the hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and deep back muscles while improving thoracic rotation and helping release built-up tension through the spine. This stretch targets the lats, upper back, and deep spinal muscles. As the hips sink back, the spine decompresses, easing pressure in the lower back and neck. At the same time, it downshifts your nervous system, helping your body fully relax. This rotation mobilizes the shoulder while releasing the deep stabilizers of the joint, including the rotator cuff. As shoulder tension drops, overload through the upper traps and neck decreases, helping improve circulation and reduce nerve irritation.